gentlemen, today we are going to be doing some mime. That's right. I'm not very good at this type of mime, but you can be good at the mime we're doing today. Now, what is mime? Mime is action without words. Can you do actions without words? Maybe the first mime you could ever do is playing football. Remember, no noise. Pretty good, right? Pretty good. Maybe you could do another mime of digging a hole. Let's see you do that now. Are you going to play football or are you going to dig a hole? Let's have a little look. Oh, you're doing that one. That's fantastic. Well done. Now, so today we're going to do mime and we are going to explore our world. We're going to go through lots of different places in the world. We're going to go to the forests and the woods, we're going to go to the deserts, we're going to go to the cities, and maybe even we'll end up in the cold, cold Antarctic. So we might go to the warm places and the hot places and the cold places as well. So, first of all, let's go through the woods. I'm going to start this side and I'm going to walk across here. Can you join in with me? Remember, we're not allowed to talk, so shh. Get ready, going through the woods. How would you move? You can listen to the birds. I'm going to climb a tree. Are you joining in? Remember, no sounds. There's a swamp ahead of us. A gooey, mucky, muddy swamp. And finally, let's see if we can run out of the forest. Oh, brilliant. Did you mime with me? Fantastic. Now, let's go to another place. Let's go to the desert. The desert is really hot. Woo! So let's see if we can move through the desert. Remember, we're miming. We're not talking. So, it's really hot in the desert. You might slump your shoulders. You might start panting like a dog. Oh no, there's quicksand. Oh. You might end up just crawling on the floor. Oh, fantastic. So we've explored the deserts. Oh, we've explored the forests. Now there are animals in both the desert and the forest. What animals live in the forest? Can you name any? Rabbits, maybe? Foxes? Even sometimes bears and wolves. And what about the animals that live in the desert? Foxes? Nah. Bears? Nah. Rabbits? Nah. More like snakes and lizards. They're the ones that live in the desert. Right, where should we go to next? Shall we go to the cold, cold Arctic? Now, when we're miming cold, we might need to shiver. Might need to rub our hands. But there are some animals up there. See if you can spot the polar bear. But stay quiet. We're miming. Okay. And we're going to step out into the Arctic. You're keeping yourself warm. There's a polar bear. We need to tiptoe away. Oh, fantastic. I hope you enjoyed that. So loads of different animals, loads of different places in this world. Now, we need to travel to all these places. Now, how do you travel when you go out? Do you walk? Mime with me. Do you run? Do you skip to places? How do you travel? Oh, that's a really good idea. We could travel by train. Join in with me. Can you take a train trip around your house? Woo woo! Whoa, you could go all the way around on a train and see what you see out the window. How else could we travel? What's that? By car. That sounds like fun. Now make sure you obey all the signs and signals. Into your car, open the door, step in, sit down and get comfy, check the steering wheel works, check the gear stick works, turn on the engine, and off we go. With the stop sign, indicate to go left or right. Okay. Wow, you could take a journey around your house in a car. Oh, I'll tell you how else we could how else we could travel. Maybe by plane, but also we could travel by hovercraft. Have you ever seen a hovercraft in real life? You haven't? Well, take a look at this. Yes, a hovercraft. That would be amazing. How do you think it would feel being on a hovercraft? Maybe shaky. Can you join in with me? Maybe loud. Can I hear you? Oh yeah, it's very loud on a hovercraft. Oh, going across the water, feeling the spray in my face. Oh, wow. So we could go by hovercraft. We could go to all different parts of the world. Now, I'm going to get you ready. We're going to go on a trip, you see. Now, we need to do some packing. So, I'm going to give you some things to pack. See if you can guess where we're going in the world just by what we pack. And remember, we're miming today, so no sounds at all when we're packing. Show me, using your hands and your bodies and your face, show me what you're packing. Don't just stuff it all in there. Try your hardest. Are you ready? Okay. First of all, we need to get our bags. Unzip your bags. Open it up. Now, behind you is a drawer. Open your drawer. The first thing we need to pack are underpants and socks. Fold them neatly, pack them in. Fold them neatly, pack them in. Let's see you. Very good. Okay, what else shall we pack? Ah, I know. In this place, we need some mosquito repellent because it's a warmish place and there's lots and lots of little bugs that might eat you. So, oh, mine's over here. Where's your mosquito repellent? Ooh, smells funny. Pack it in anyway. Good. What else do you think we need? I know, all the basics. T-shirts, toothpaste, toothbrushes. Now, our medicine's up here and our bathroom stuff's up here and our clothes are here. What are you going to go to first? Let's see, come on then. Good, I've packed my t-shirts, don't know about you, but I'm going to go and pack all my bathroom things, my toothbrush, toothpaste, and also a bar of soap. Yeah, always useful, isn't it? Okay, close that. Alright then. So we've packed all the usual stuff. Now, I think we're also going to need a hat. Do I look good? Thanks. Take it off and pack it. I think we're also going to need something to help us cut through the undergrowth. Oh, might have to ask our grown-ups for this, but we're miming, remember? Okay, so Something to cut through the undergrowth with. Excellent. So where could we go? Where could we be going? Do you think we're going to the desert? There's no undergrowth in the desert. Do you think we're going to the Arctic? Now there's no little bugs in the Arctic. Do you think we could be going to the rainforest? Yeah, we're going to be going to the rainforest. So, join me in my next video where we can mime going on a journey to the rainforest. I'll see you all soon. Bye now! Whoa!